Referred to the committee.
Parliament resumed with the debate on the Copyright and Neighbouring Rights Amendment Bill 2025 to give owners copyright, both economic and moral, to allow rightful owners derive financial reward from their use of their work. In a report tabled by the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee Chairperson Bakam Gabi, the legislation requires a contract for assignment of copyright, which shall be in an agreement form, and that the reversal of economic rights to the owner after purchase of an album or content can only return to the rightful owner after 20 years.
To assign the author and performer separate entitlements, since each has individual rights in the copyright over colouring back tones. Second, justification to extend the validity of contracts for colouring back tones and require the payment of rates prescribed under the bill.
The bill, as passed, provides for all individuals broadcasting registered content to the public to pay an agreed remuneration to the author through the national payment system under the regulations that may be drafted by the minister in charge.
A contract for exploiting the works of the author or performer as colouring back tone in existence before the commencement of this Act shall continue in existence as if the same was made under this Act, except that the remuneration under the contract shall be the rate prescribed under subsection 2.
But for you to benefit from the protections provided by the law, you must register. Because you will find it very difficult to tell someone that they're infringing your rights when they did not know they were your works.
Lawmakers have rejected the proposal by the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee to include works generated through artificial intelligence to be included among the copyright-protected works in the fresh regulation.
AI is a tool. It's a tool used to generate protected work. AI is not this Act is not intended to regulate tools. For example, a musician uses an organ, a drum, a long drum. This Act is not about the tools that you use to generate the works. So the AI policy is much wider, and government is currently working on AI policy on how to regulate and guide people on its use.
The Speaker called on the artists to be keen on the